Versatility Ranch Horse events are for the all-around horse, one rider, competing in a variety of classes. It takes a horse with a lot of ability and a willing attitude to compete in all of these classes. Jim Willoughby, NRHA Hall of Fame inductee, said, "To rein a horse is to not only guide him, but also to control his every movement. The best reined horse should be willingly guided or controlled with little or no apparent resistance and dictated to completely." In the ranch reining class, the horse rider team follows a prescribed pattern. I'm using a video of my run in an AQHA show in 2020. I will break it down into individual maneuvers and show how it was judged. By showing this run, you can see the mistakes I made and how they were scored. My hope is that this will help you in your preparation for this class. When a rider starts his run, he has a score of 70. The judge evaluates each maneuver and scores -1.5, extremely poor, -1, very poor, -1/2, poor, 0, correct, +1/2, good, +1, very good, and +1.5, excellent. The first maneuver is to run up the center of the arena past the end marker and do a sliding stop. Second, complete 3.5 spins to the left. Third, run down to the opposite end of the arena, past the end marker, and do a sliding stop. Fourth, complete 3.5 spins to the right. Fifth, run past the center marker and do a sliding stop. Back at least 10 feet, complete 1/4 turn to the left. Hesitate. If you begin your stop before the center marker, there is a 2-point penalty. After initiating the stop, I started wondering if I had stopped too soon, losing my focus. As a result, I forgot to back up, resulting in my being off pattern. Sixth, beginning on the right lead, complete 2 circles to the right. The first one small and slow, the second one large and fast. Change leads in the center of the arena. Seventh, complete 2 circles to the left. The first one small and slow, and the second one large and fast. Change leads at the center of the arena. Eighth, begin a large circle to the right, but do not close the circle. Run down the right side of the arena past the center marker and do a sliding stop at least 20 feet from the fence. Hesitate to show completion of the pattern. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see the other videos in this series as they are released, click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified when it is available. It's all free. Thank you so much for watching.